Data team is a small team right now at Bitrise, and they are responsible for just gathering data and giving data the relevant type of insights to any type of team, any type of function in the company. As we grow, it's very important for us to understand why we do what we do and what the impact of what we are doing. So this team is very important to our success, for us to avoid flying blind and making mistakes along the way. Data scientists or analysts are part of every product team by default. So they are sitting with the engineers, the PMs, the engineering managers, and everyone in the team to stay in context what we are trying to achieve and not just be a reactive force when someone asks something, they deliver that insight, but also be proactive about, well, are we asking the right questions, or what else can we know about that specific problem that we're trying to solve. The core of the data team's responsibility is to help the product organization make better decisions, and overall we are expanding that for the whole organization so we all can make better decisions. Because it's a small team, the data team can be very free and agile in their approach to solving problems, and also can have a very high impact on how can we expand to supporting the whole organization with better insights. And also it's a very important aspect as well that we are trying to democratize data across the company. So it's not just we don't want the data team to be a bottleneck when someone tries to get data. So that's, I think, a very exciting challenge. How can we make an organization better informed about what is happening in the product, in the business, and so on? And how can we also be a proactive force in the organization so that we can implement the data scientist knowledge into not just how we make decisions, but how we create features and functionalities. I think that's going to be the next step for the data team as we scale it out. Is when we are gathering this ton of data from mobile teams, it's a very exciting insight for our customers as well, how bigger organizations develop their own apps and what are their best practices. How can you be like Sixt, for example, or Skyscanner or whoever in our customer base. As we are growing this mobile DevOps ecosystem out, in the core product, this learn aspect is going to be more and more important, and how we crunch and show data is going to be more and more a priority for us. So the data team, as it grows, it's going to be very important for them to be this proactive and be excited about, contributing to feature development and improving the product.